Today we will see how to find out moisture content of the given soil sample using oven drying method. Apparatus which are used for this experiment are an electric oven, aluminum containers, soil sample and weighing balance. Before we go for the conduction of experiment, we should know what is meant by moisture content or water content of the soil. Water content of the soil is the moisture or water, the quantity of water which is present in the voids of the given soil sample. This moisture content is necessary for various applications in the field, like for construction of roads, foundation, stability of slope, where compaction and consolidation play a very important role. This compaction and consolidation of a soil sample or soil in the field, it depends upon the quantity of water which is present in the voids. Therefore, before going for any construction, we should know what is the moisture content. At the same time, this moisture content or water present in the soil will affect the shear strength of the soil, the load bearing strength of the soil, right? Hence, it is necessary to find out water content for a given soil sample which is collected from the field. This soil sample which is collected from the field is first weighed in the lab. Thereafter, that soil sample is placed in an oven for 110 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After 24 hours, when the soil becomes dry, again the weight of the soil, that dry soil, is taken. Thus, water content is found out in terms of weight of the dry soil. So, let us go for the procedure. The conduction begins by taking weight of empty aluminum containers that is going to be used for collecting soil sample. So, here initial reading is 0. Thereafter, we will be putting this container type A. So, the weight of that empty container along with the lead is 12 grams. Let us note down that weight. Weight of container W1 for soil sample A is 12 grams. Okay. Thereafter, in the similar fashion, we will be weighing empty containers for soil samples B and C. Thus, weight of empty container B comes out to be 12.24 grams and weight of empty container for soil sample C is 11.66. Our next step is to collect soil samples from the field for container A, B and C. Let us collect. In this way, we have collected the weight soil sample in containers A, B and C. Now, replace the lead and take the weights. Thus, weight for container A with the weight soil comes out to be 24.19 grams, for sample B 25.18 and for sample C 28.91 grams. Thus, weight of container plus weight soil sample, that is W2 in grams, for sample A it is 24.19 grams, for sample B 25.18 gram and for sample C it is 28.91 grams. Thereafter, we will be putting these samples immediately in an oven for 24 hours at 110 degrees Celsius plus minus 5 degrees Celsius. After 24 hours, we will be again taking the weights of the samples. This is an electric oven in which we are going to put the soil sample. Here on the plate you can see temperature controller where maximum 300 degrees Celsius can be set. Thereafter, we have heating indicator which indicates that heating process is on. The next button indicates whether our oven is on or off. Let us put the soil sample in this oven. While placing the soil samples, remember to remove the lids of these aluminum containers, and thereafter place these soil samples in the oven. Once it is placed, turn on the oven and set the temperature at 110 degrees Celsius. So now it has been set to 110 degrees Celsius. Heat indicator indicates heating process is on and switch is on for working of the oven. Now we will be taking the reading after 24 hours. Thus, we will be entering W3, that is weight of the container, and dry soil. So, for sample A, the weight came out to be 20.81 grams. So, this is 20.81. Thereafter, for sample B, the weight came out to be 21.48. And for third sample C, that weight comes out to be 24.21. Now we will be calculating weight of water in the soil using this formula. So weight of water is equal to W2 minus W3 in grams. What is W2? W2 is weight of the container and weight of wet soil. W3 is weight of container plus weight of dry soil. So when we will subtract W3 from W2, weight of container will get cancelled. Weight of dry soil will be subtracted from weight of wet soil. So we will be getting weight of water. Let us calculate. It will be 24.19 minus 20.81. So this value comes out to be, this is 8, this is 3, this is 3. So 3.38 grams is the weight of water. Similarly, calculate weight of water for sample B and sample C. Thus, for sample B, weight of water comes out to be 3.7 grams and for sample C it is 4.7 gram. Next part is to calculate weight of dry soil. Weight of dry soil, that is WD, is found out as W3 minus W1. What is W3? It is weight of container plus weight of dry soil. And what is W1? It is weight of the empty container. So when W1 is subtracted from W3, we will be getting weight of dry soil. So this is going to be 20.81 minus 12. So that value will be written here. For sample B, it will be 21.48 minus 12.24. And for sample C, it will be 24.21 minus 11.66. Thus, moisture content for the first sample A, it comes out to be 38.36%. For sample B, it comes out to be 40%. And for sample C, it comes out to be 37.4%. Since the soil sample has been taken from the same place, we have to average these values. That will be the average moisture content of the soil sample at the site. It comes out to be 38.58%. This is our final value of moisture content.